Hello, my name is Raynaldo Gallego, or Gallego in English. I'm 69 years old when I had my right hip replaced, a total hip replacement. The anterior approach was used by Dr. Alon Antebi. And since then, I've been going to the gym almost every day. And I've been hitting tennis balls daily, hitting the weights, and I've lost about 50 pounds. Prior to the hip replacement, my movement was very limited because of the pain in my hip. So now that I can pretty much do what I want, I'm extremely active. I go to the gym daily, I lift weights, I can do what I want. There are no restrictions on my activities. So I'm very pleased with what Dr. Antebi has done. The clinical outcome is about as good as you can get. And I'm extremely pleased that at this point in my life, at 70, I feel like I'm a new person in terms of my physical and recreational daily activities. So thank you, Dr. Antebi.